In this video, we show you how to start a lip gloss business. First thing you need is lip gloss base. Search for the best deal you can find on Amazon for it or your local stores. The price is $30 for 4, so you might want to get a little more to cushion shipping costs, especially if you live in Africa. But if not, if you're getting it from your local store, it could be a lot cheaper than that and you could get a lot more than that. Secondly, you need lip gloss tubes. Check Alibaba on how much you can bulk buy these and how well they are. So the best part of buying on Alibaba is you can purchase multiple of them for a very, very cheap price. But if you want, you could still go and check through your local stores for lip gloss tubes. Maybe somebody else has bought them and they're selling them very cheaply. The next thing you're going to need is a syringe. Obviously, you know what you use that syringe for, so you need that syringe to Next, you will need flavoring oil. So it's always good to get some flavoring oil so that your lip gloss doesn't taste too plain and it's more bearable on people's lips. The fifth thing you need is vitamin E oil. It's essential and needed for the skin. Vitamin E oil isn't cheap and this may be the most expensive thing on the list, but it's well worth it. Number 6, you must get some cosmetic grade glitters. If this is going to be lip gloss for women, who are probably the biggest market for lip gloss, you could make it for men, but the cosmetic grade glitters obviously will make the woman's lips shinier and they definitely do. Next, you're going to have to get some pipettes. They allow you to squeeze the lip gloss into the tubes, so it's very, very important that you get some pipettes. Otherwise, maybe you could try and force it with a syringe, but yeah, pipettes will work too. Probably wondering how much you can make from all this. Well, at most, maybe the total price you will spend for all these is about $86. Depending on your location, it could be a lot less than that. Like if you live in a country where you have many China markets and everything, you probably spend a lot less than $86. Your return for making lip gloss should be nothing less than 200% for every batch you make. And in order to increase your sales, you need to ensure that you grow your social media presence and then use that traffic to direct people to your lip gloss, especially in the beginning. Try to get people to use it and show you photos or how you could just model your own lip gloss. That will get you more sales. If you're in school, tell your friends about it and try to sell it to them and let them make your name spread a lot more. So there's many ways to market, but this is how you make it. And thank you so much for watching. Peace.